Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another G-Shock video. Today we are taking a closer look at the limited edition MTG Blue Phoenix that was launched late last month. This is my very first MTG-B2000 in my collection. The outer box is pretty standard, it's Master of G box. Here we have MTG Limited Edition. At the front it says G-Shock in metallic blue. So pretty simple, and if we look at the back here is the official model code for this release, MTG-B2000PH-2A. So this is a Japan domestic model. So let's open it up. Inside you have two boxes. The smaller one on the right hand side has the manual and the warranty information, and the main box here holds the watch. So let me get the main box out and put the other one aside. See, the top plate that you see here has got ion plating treatment. It starts off with light blue and then it gradients towards purple here. So it's pretty much they have put the colors from the box itself on the watch as well. It's a complete theme by G-Shock. So let's check it out. So here it is. So this is the price tag that comes together with all Japan domestic model. This shows the features that you have here, the model code and the price, 143,000 Japanese yen. At the back you have the list of all the features that this watch comes with. So I'm going to put that aside and let's have a closer look at the watch itself. This is probably going to be one of the best looking G-Shock watches I've ever owned. The overall design, color and the way the metal parts are polished is top notch. The watch is designed after the Blue Phoenix, which is said to be a legendary bird whose appearance brings good luck. At a glance, you might mistaken for the straps to be a black resin strap, but instead it is actually a navy blue translucent resin band. It has a very soft feel to it and wears really well. The metal connectors for the band that connects to the hard case has got a hairline finish and it has blue IP coating. The middle section of the connector is polished to give a mirror look. It has a touch of pink color thrown in as well for good color contrast. On the other side of the watch, we have the metal keeper in gold and a gold metal buckle as well. On the inside of this buckle, it says Casio, Japan. The back of the watch has really interesting color combinations. The pink element that we saw at the front is screwed onto the connector at the back, and the hairline finish continues here as well. The case back of the watch is filled with lots of information. The watch has sapphire crystal, carbon monocoque construction, and it is made in Japan. One thing that really pops out is the color gradient that you can see from the back of the hard case. It is absolutely beautiful. Back to the front of the watch. The bezel at the top has blue IP base with yellow, red, and purple gradient that has been applied vertically across the bezel. Here is an interesting fact. Due to the ion plating process applied to this watch, no two watches feature exactly the same colors. It is unique on its own. The rest of the bezel has a really high quality polish on it. The bezel screws are coated in gold IP on all four of them. The hard case, which sits just below the bezel, has similar treatment, but this time the rainbow gradient has been applied horizontally instead. You can actually see it at the crown over here and also on the other side of the watch. Looks really cool. The MTG Blue Phoenix has sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating applied for highly scratch resistant and transparent glass. The watch face design is very beautiful on this MTG. The word MTG at the center has rainbow colors and it changes according to the angle that you are viewing. The index markers are coated with metallic blue and has a nice reflection. The lower left subdial, which shows the dual time, has mixture of blue and yellow hands, and the hour markers are in red. The top left subdial, which shows the 24-hour time, has green hands. The main subdial on the right side has pink color for the hands with mixture of other colors on the index. The day markers are in yellow, the mode markers in pink, and rest of them in green. In a nutshell, this is a very colorful yet beautiful looking watch face design. The main hour and the minute hands have blue color coating with hairline finish. The watch has a single super illuminator high brightness LED that lights up the watch really well. I just love how it slowly fades in and fades out when activated. Here is a quick loom shot of this watch. Here is a quick wrist shot of this watch. In terms of overall features, this watch has tough solar capabilities along with multi-band 6 for accurate timekeeping. You can also connect this watch via Bluetooth to your smartphone. Other standard features such as the stopwatch, timer, and alarm are available as well. The watch was announced as part of May 2021 release. In Japan, it goes for 143,000 Japanese yen and other regions at $1,100 US. As expected, the watch is mostly sold out everywhere since its launch. This is highly sought after by collectors. If the previously released Rainbow MTG-B2000 is any indication, expect the resale value of this watch to go up really high. Overall, a fantastic piece of watch by G-Shock. I am really happy how the overall design has come together and just feels really solid to be worn. If I were to change one thing, probably G-Shock should have given it a metal strap instead of a resin band on this watch. Do let me know in the comments on your thoughts about this watch. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like to see more G-Shock videos, do hit the subscribe button, and if you like the contents of this video, hit the like button as well. It really does help me reach out to more people. Till next time, stay safe and I'll see ya.